Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the day has come. We are going to have the NFP. Yes, today is a big day for Forex traders because of the non-firm payroll. Market is going to witness crazy volatility because of the news. As I always say, beginners, new traders, you can watch the market to gain experience, but it's better to close down all US dollar positions because market may witness heavy, crazy volatility and you may lose money. Because if you're a beginner, then obviously you are not much familiar with proper risk management, and due to slippage, your stop loss may not work. So as a result, it's better to close down all your positions. But if you are an experienced trader, then that's a different chapter. You can obviously go ahead. So be careful during the event. You can go to any economy calendar to find out the timing. In India, in my country, you can see that the time is 6 p.m. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we saw a good amount of bullishness on the chart of gold yesterday because of the news, and ultimately gold saw some showed us some correction also. And right now we can see gold is standing at 1978. Gold made a high of 1982, but the price could not sustain, and the 100 moving average acted as the resistance. And right now still the selling pressure is there, so gold more or less is still struggling to cross this particular zone here. If you look at the chart of DXY, then after the news yesterday, we got to see good amount of selling on the chart of DXY. So before NFP, the next support is around 103.30. Means if the sale continues during the Asian session and US session, you can expect 103 to 103.30 to act as the next support for the market, and we can hope that DXY will not fall below this level, because if DXY crosses this level before NFP only, things will be a little bit dangerous for the dollar bears. So if DXY comes down to this support level here, we can expect a temporary bounce before NFP and after NFP. Okay. After NFP, if DXY shows downside, then obviously there will be a big fall because we do not have any immediate strong support. We have got support levels, but those are not strong because the market is trending. In trending market, we do not have strong support levels. If market starts falling after NFP, you can hope that 102.49 or 102.50 around this level, market will get some support. If market starts falling after NFP, again there may be a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. Okay, listen to me carefully. If market starts falling again after NFP, there may be a trend reversal on the chart of DXY, because already you can see that market has shown a good amount of correction, and before NFP we can expect 103.30 to provide support to the market. And if you're wondering about resistance, then as the market is an uptrend, so obviously we do not have any strong resistance, but still you can say that we have a good amount of resistance around 105 level, but that level is far away. So let's wait and watch. Now enough talk about DXY and other things. Now let's talk about gold. So my dear friends, whatever levels I'll be discussing right now, okay, those levels are only valid before news, before NFP, because after NFP market will be volatile, and as we all know it very well that during events, during news, levels do not work. When fundamentals dominate the market, the technicals do not work. So do not try to look for support resistances when the market will be volatile during the news. Try to follow the trend of the market. So the levels I'll be discussing right now are only valid before the news only. So first of all, let's talk about the level of 1983. This level, okay, or the high made by the market yesterday. So as you can see, then market is trying to go up again. Before news, if market crosses 1983 again, good chance that market will try to go higher. and you can look for a buy position. If we look at the chart of gold here, then we can see that the next resistance is around 1991 because of the 200 moving average. Because of the 200 moving average, the market has the next resistance, but I don't think so market will be heading towards 1991 in a straight line, because right now we can see that there is not much volatility. In this market situation, you may see the market is going up like this. Okay, so you can easily target 30, 40, 45, 50 pips. Means you can target 30 to 50 pips if market breaks 1983 level. But if possible, try to observe the volatility of the market, because for any breakout or breakdown, volume or volatility is important. If you see the market is going up, market is crossing 1983 level with a big green candle, means that okay, volume is there, then you can look for a buy position. Okay, next resistance is around 1991, but for safety purpose, you can exit after hitting the mark of 30-40 pips also. Okay, if I take a buy position, I'll be targeting 40 pips. On the other hand, if market starts coming down from here, you can see that we have the next level around 1970 to 1971. Why? Because of FIBO 23.6% retracement level, and the second level is around 1963. So these are the two levels for us before news. And also we have a very strong support around 1959 to 1957, but I don't think so market will be coming down to 1957, 1959 before NFP. So if markets continues the current present correction, we can expect 1971, 1972 to act as the first support, and if it fails, then 1964 level. As you can clearly see that already market is taking support at the previous resistance. Previous resistance is right now acting as a support here, but if it fails, then 1971-70 will be the next support. Observe the market. If you see market is taking support, then only go for the buy position, because during the European session, if market forms a big red candle, obviously it is not a good decision to buy, isn't it? We need to use our common sense as well. Okay, in that case, expect the market to take support on 1963-64 level. And if you go to a 15-minute chart here, on the 15-minute chart, you can also see that we also have moving averages. To be honest, I do not trust the 15-minute chart much. But in this market situation, when there is not much volatility, you can also look for some buy around the 200 moving average, which is also coming up. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market performs before NFP, because after NFP, if market starts falling, then obviously these levels will not hold, because market will be extremely volatile. Okay, so these are the levels, okay, that we need to watch before NFP. If you're wondering about levels after NFP, okay, if you're wondering after NFP, then to be honest, we do, as you can clearly see, that we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart. Okay, if you see that after NFP, dollar is falling, gold is going up, then obviously you should go for a buy position, because we can clearly see that we do not have any immediate resistance. You can see the immediate resistances are far away from the current market price. Okay, and as support 1950, okay, 1950 will be a very critical level, because if gold starts falling also, market will try to maintain the support of 1950, because if gold breaks 1950 level, things will be very critical for gold again. So if market starts flying after NFP, market, it's better to be on the buy side, because we do not have any immediate resistance. But if market starts falling after NFP, 1950 will be a very critical support. Gold will try its best to hold the level. Okay, but be careful, follow strict risk management today. Okay, bye bye, take care.